Hey everyone, Steph here from Old Guy Melts Plastic. In today's segment of my Annex K3 build series, we're going to be building and installing the Z motor drive assemblies. So there's one rear Z motor and then two front Z motors. The rear one is pictured here. The large chunky piece here is going to contain a number of pulleys and idlers in order to convert the Z motor power into belted movement for Z. This particular part has 4 heat set inserts inserted into the bottom of the part. We'll go from there. And then you have the 2 front drive assemblies, which are also going to be, I think they sit corner-wise. They're at an angle in the bottom corners in the front. But they each have 3 heat set inserts inserted into the bottoms of the parts. So I'm going to get on building these. It requires a number of motion parts. So I've got idlers and pulleys here, some different shafts, some closed loop belts, pulleys of different sizes. So I'm going to get on assembling that based on the build instructions that I'm following. And we'll see how it goes. I do have a number of bearings here as well. The recommendation is to check your parts to make sure that the shafts, the bearings, fit well onto the shafts and so on and so forth, so there's no issues with things binding. So I haven't done that yet. I'm going to just try a couple of different bits here, make sure there's no issues. Here's a bearing going onto this 5mm shaft, D shaft, and yeah, that goes on there rather well. I think we'll be fine, so I'm not going to bother checking it beyond that. So yeah, without any further ado, I'm going to get into time-lapse mode, and we'll see you on the other side. All right, so I'm gonna cut the video here. It is relatively late at night where I am, and I'm feeling a little bit tired and struggling with this one Z drive assembly. The pin does not want to go all the way through the smooth idler here, so now I'm trying to find a way to extract the pin. Tried hammering through this hole, which allows you to kind of insert this this hex driver and kind of maybe push the pin out, but I'm struggling with it. And rather than fight with it when I'm tired and not fully awake, I'm going to set it aside and come back to it another time. I did get the one rear Z motor assembled and mounted. The front Z motor, one of the two is assembled. I haven't mounted it yet, but it is ready to go. And tomorrow I will fight with this one and try to get it resolved. I'll have to find a way to yank this pin. Maybe I'll take it out to the bench vise that I have outside and see if I can gently hammer through it with something long and thin. Maybe use one of these hex drivers and a hammer to kind of try to get at it and pop the pin out. So yeah, I'm going to leave it at that for now, and I wish you all a good night. Thanks for watching.